Welcome, here I've got Honor 8A and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here. As you can see, it gives us access to the advanced camera settings, and in the capture settings at the last position we have the audio control. By tapping on this we can easily turn it on like that, and we can pick from the say cheese to take photos or take photos when you speak loudly at the camera. So for now I'm going to stay on say cheese to take photos, and let me take a picture by saying just one word, so cheese, and as you can see the picture was taken by saying just cheese. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.